Wagwan, you don't know, it's a girl Nessa to the world, yeah, representing for Agency of Success. And when you hear the word success and you know some me I promote it, you know me I set you up with success. Now, this is a visa application center that focuses on visa application. And if you want to go foreign, yeah, if you want to go UK, if you want to go US, if you want to go Canada, if you want to go anywhere else in the world where require you to apply for a visa and you want to be successful, yeah, why don't you go to Agency of Success? Yeah. Now, this company not only focuses on visa application, they also focus on getting scholarship to students. If you want to study abroad, they also find jobs abroad. So why don't you just throw your stone in one basket, right? Yeah, go on over to Agency of Success, tell them that Nessa sends you there. Yeah, Nessa sends you over, and you can contact them at 876-896-3679, and they are located at 14P Parkington Plaza, 17 Alfred 3. Yes, Alfred 3 Road, Kingston 10. And if you want a better direction, they're right next to Holy Childhood. So go on over, you know, let them know say missing you there. Let them know say you want a visa free be done. Yeah. And you better stay tuned for the video.
Bruh.
There's nothing there. I wonder if I can find something in the house to put in the box because I don't know what to put in there. Let's check, right? Anything in here? Well, I can't send back what she sent to me, right? Oh boy. Anything under here? Nope, just cobwebs. And I know she probably have cobwebs, so I can't say cobweb, right? I guess I have to go to the supermarket or the market or somewhere because there's nothing here. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Nessa's World. So today I am going to Old Harbor to go and get my stuff for the box because as you can see there's nothing in the box, and I'm going to get some snacks. I don't think I'm going to get everything today, but I'm going to try and get most of the stuff. Like she told me that she wants some stuff like tin sausage, lasco, you know, those Jamaican stuff. And I'm also going to see if I can get some surprises to put in the box. But differently from that, yeah, I'm going to Old Harbor to get stuff to pack the box so I can ship it off to her because it's been long overdue now, you know. So come and take that journey with me. Come and take that journey with me. So after me come out of the house, take taxi and I go Old Harbor, right? Almost turn off or got a square. Only if you realize I left me first, I have to turn back for him first. Nothing can go, sir. Anyway, now I'm back. It's now 10:32 and I'm back on the road waiting for a taxi. Alright, so she gave me a list of stuff that she wants. Here it is, and I'm going to look for them. So you have rough cut. Like, military feel free to just left the cart here because nothing in the supermarket here. There's nothing in the supermarket. Let's go. $10 for last. Digested. Let's just say I take the whole box. Hello.
Come, what's it? No. Yeah, she gone. Oh, because the lady something I know.
$100 for snacking, $100 for catch me, $100. No sir, $100. And then take a minute, you know. Take a minute. Oh, you have a small one. You see how much you need on here. I bet that will make no sense. Alright, so I just got back in from Old Harbour, and what I realized is that I only got snacks because there's nothing in Old Harbour. So now I'm going to Spanish Town, and I really don't want to leave the house because the sun is hot, but then I just want to get this over and done with. So I just want to get everything done today and maybe pack it tomorrow and then ship it off. So I'm back on the road going to Old Harbour. No, not Old Harbour, going to Spanish Town to see if I can get some little surprises and some other stuff, you know. So yeah, right now it's now it's 1:21. So it's 1:21, and you know I went to Old Harbour 10 something. So do the maths. So hopefully I can finish by 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock and get back home. That's good.
Yeah, we went to it.
So there is, oh god, I'm so tired, but as you can see, I got a snack, and I don't think all of this can hold into the few stuff to get to put in the box. As I said before, if you're sending stuff to abroad, like for instance, if you're sending stuff to UK, you know, you send stuff that they're longing for. For instance, you send tigers, you send chippies, you send rough tops, because these stuff are very hard to get or it's expensive over there. So these are the stuff that I am planning to send, and along with a few just small surprises, and those stuff are not going to be shown. But yeah, as you can see, I'm so exhausted, very tired. But I'm gonna pack this box and then I'm gonna wait for the other stuff to get here, because yeah, no, those stuff, if you want to see those stuff, you will have to go to her page and, you know, subscribe so you can know when she receives the box and when she uploads the video, because I have a surprise. Yes, a surprise for her, and I think she's gonna like it. I think she's gonna love it. Yeah, she's gonna love it so much. And I also sent some stuff from my mom especially, and I think she's gonna love my surprise also. And this is supposed to share up with her, my mom, my sister, and her brother. But yeah, so watch me pack this box, and I hope you enjoyed, you know, the tour that I hope you enjoyed the fact that I brought you along. So I have some more stuff to put in this, and I don't know if I need to get another box, a bigger box, but this is what I have so far. And yeah, as you can see that the box is full and I still have some stuff to put in there. I don't know if I'm going to have to get a bigger box or probably stuff the box or probably just get another box. So I still have some more stuff, but as I said, these are the main stuff that I'm showing you guys. And if you want to see everything that I buy for her or how the end came out, go on over to our channel, subscribe to our channel, so and then hit the notification bell so whenever she released that video, you can see that video. And as you can see, I already have one surprise in here. I have a surprise in my bag, and some is coming and I still have some to get. So as I said, the box is full. But yeah, and if you like this, you know, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so whenever I release a new video, you will be the first to know. Yeah, and big up to everybody who watched this video, support this video, and everybody who did either the video in the background, you know, big up to them. But yeah, thank you guys for watching.